How to reset your Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can hard reset your Samsung device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, switch off your device. Then long tap onto your power button until you see this page. In here, use your volume up and down to scroll below and then tap on Wipe Data. As you do so, tap onto it, and first of all make sure that you have taken up all the backups, then tap onto yes. And at this page, once you tap onto yes, you will see no support single. Now as we move on to the next page, scroll below and tap onto reboot system now. As you do so, this is how you can hard reset your Samsung. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.